it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and I'm bringing you another baking recipe. Why not? So my grandma, you guys remember my grandma from my video when I was in Utah? Well, she has an apple tree, and I got some of her apples, and I'm like, what am I gonna do with all of these? And one night after work, I just kind of started freestyling and came up with this apple cinnamon walnut streusel bread, all vegan of course, and it was really good. So I wanted to share that with y'all, and if you want to know how I make it, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're going to do is in a large bowl, add your flour. So this is 2.5 cups of plain flour, and this recipe can be made gluten-free if you sub it for gluten-free flour. Then we're doing 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and now we're going in with the 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then I did 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. But you can use whatever salt you like, and you can do a pinch. So now wet ingredients, got some oil going in here, got my plant-based milk, and then some creamer for a little extra flavor, some vanilla, and then here are the apples that I peeled and cut up. I want really small pieces because I hate hunking chunks of apple, but that's just me. Cut this how you like it. Going back in with some walnuts. I decided that would taste good in this also. Didn't measure, sorry y'all. So I've dusted my pan with flour, and then I'm just making layers of the bread mix and then also the cinnamon slurry. It's kind of like making a streusel, but instead you're using melted butter and less flour. So that's how it comes out like this. You'll throw it in your oven, wash your dishes, and then when it comes out, try not to eat it right away, but let it cool and you will be able to enjoy this beautiful poppin' bread. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.